What if you could replace every single AI tool you are currently paying for? ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Canva, Jasper, Midjourney, with one single platform that does it all better, faster, and for a one-time price of just $17. Right now, you are probably spending anywhere from $100 to $500 every single month on AI subscriptions that cap your usage, watermark your content, and still do not give you the results you actually need. You are juggling 5 different tools just to complete one single task, paying premium prices for average output, and every month another charge hits your account whether you use it or not. It is exhausting, it is expensive, and it stops today. Introducing Zen AI, powered by Z.AI's GLM5, the world's #1 open source AI model that officially outperforms ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude across reasoning, coding, and agentic tasks. Zen AI is not just a chatbot, it is a complete AI workforce inside one dashboard. Type a single prompt and watch Zen AI build you a complete website. Write your entire sales page, create a professional presentation, generate a Word document, PDF, or spreadsheet. Write your ad copy, email sequences, and blog posts, all of it done in seconds. GLM5 runs 30 times faster than ChatGPT, scores 98 out of 100 on overall AI performance, and unlike every other tool you have tried, it works for complete beginners from day one with zero technical skills required. Right now, for a strictly limited time, you can get lifetime access to Zen AI for a one-time payment of just $17. No monthly fees, no hidden charges, no usage limits ever. Plus, a free commercial license so you can sell everything Zen AI creates and keep every single dollar of profit yourself. But you need to act right now because this one-time price increases every single hour. And once this launch window closes, it switches to a monthly subscription permanently. Click the button below, get instant access, and let Zen AI start building your income today.